Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how can you pin a folder to your taskbar, today in this video I'll show you exactly how. So if you have an important folder that you want to easily access all the time, today in this video you will find out how to pin it to your taskbar. So first you go to or locate this folder first. So I'm gonna pick this folder. Let's say I want to pin this folder to my taskbar. I first right click on it and then I tap on show more options, and then I'm going to send to. So go ahead and hover your mouse over send to and then choose desktop, create shortcut. So first the shortcut is going to be right here, as you can see guys. Let's quit this, and now here right click again, show more options, properties. Now here in the path we're gonna add explorer dot exe space. So this is how it's going to look like. After that we tap on OK, as you can see guys. Now I right click again the same folder, and then I go with show more options again. Now I get this option to pin to taskbar. Might be a different language here, but it's going to be in your PC. It's going to say pin to taskbar. Go ahead and tap on it, and here it is guys. It's going to be right here. This is the test folder that I have added, and I can again click on it, right click on it if I want to unpin it from my taskbar, just like that. And that's how you do it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.